Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for November 1 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo, 25% discount sa lahat ng tarot reading services ngayong November 2024. Ayan. So, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. So, let's see, Taurus, what's coming to you November 1 to 15. First half ng November. Okay. Okay, bottom of the deck. Champion of Cups. Meron kayo ngayong parang you may be feeling emotional ngayong first half ng November. Pwedeng related to sa isang family member. I see a reunion kasi. So, pwedeng kung kayo ay matagal nang walang contact sa isang mahal sa buhay, ngayong November, merong reunion. Parang magkakasama kayo. Let's say, nanay mo, tatay mo, or anak mo na you haven't seen for a long time. You might reunite with them. You have the Champion of Swords and the Strength card. I think, ngayong first half ng November, you're going to be very strong in a lot of sense. So, pwedeng physically strong ka. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga activities na gagawin to make you feel fit, healthy, strong. Some of you naman, this can be emotional strength and mental strength. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong pag-aaralan ngayong first half ng November related sa creatives, no? Pwedeng i-explore nyo ang inyong creativity. Okay, your overall energy is the Ten of Pentacles, which is stability in your finances. So, first half ng November, you don't need to worry about money or kung kumusta yung income ng business mo. So, your needs will be provided. Okay? Some of you, pwede rin meron ka mag-anak, mahal sa buhay, na magbibigay sa iyo ng unexpected na pera. Oo, unexpected money. Pwedeng gift. I-share sa iyo. Some of you, pwede tong may kinalaman sa mana. Oo. Lalo na kung meron kayong mga hinihintay na mana. Or pwede ring unexpected, meron palang naiwan sa inyo na very yung tawag dyan, masyado siyang mahalaga o valuable na bagay na pwede mong ibenta or pera talaga from your loved ones na mayapa na. Your challenge is the Six of Cups. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng challenges pagdating sa relationship mo sa iyong anak, sa mahal mo sa buhay, can be a romantic partner. Para meron kasi ritong mabubuhay na sugat talaga ng nakaraan. O pwedeng energy from the past, babalik. Will try to come back sa buhay mo. Pwedeng guguluhin ka, ganyan. So, nasa sayo na yon if hahayaan mong mangyari yon. Okay? Because you have the opportunity to cut connections or yung tipong magsiset ka na ng boundaries. Oo. And with the Justice card, I think ngayong panahon na to, pagdating sa decision making, magaling ka nang mag-decide what's best for you. Oo, hindi ka na nagpapadala sa emotion mo. Mabilis ka nang makapag-isip if something is good or someone is good for you or not. You also have the opportunity na mabalance mo yung time energy mo sa mga bagay na importante sa'yo, like trabaho mo, business mo, relationships mo. Lalo na kung naging busy ka ng mga nakaraan. and sa isang bagay ka lang nag-focus, let's say meron kang business, sa business ka lang, nakalimutan mo na yung nakalimutan talaga yung iyong family or yung iyong trabaho. So kumbaga depende yan sa naging priority mo. So ngayon, you have the opportunity to make up for what was lost. And your blessing is the Ace of Pentacles. So I'm really seeing na meron talaga mag-aabot ng pera sa inyo. Unexpected. Pwedeng may kamag-anak kayo or mahal sa buhay na sinuwerte sa buhay, no? Na mag-share ng kanyang blessings sa inyo financially. So, pwedeng unexpected yan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, yung trabaho or business na gustong-gusto nyong masimulan, magsisimula na talaga ngayong November. So, sa money, career, finances, you have the devil. So, ang energy nito is about obsession. So, maaring ngayong first half ng November, ma-obsess ka sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, or sa business mo. Kaya nga, may opportunity ka rito na i-balance yung time, yung energy mo. At, maaring may temptation sa paligid, na alam mong it's not going to be helpful sa'yo in the long run, pero sa tingin mo makakabuti ngayon. So, mag-ingat, okay? Use your own discernment kung sa tingin mo hindi to maganda na pasukin. Kasi pwedeng may mga temptation or tempting na offer sa'yo. Let's say, uy, mag-business tayo. Uy, pasok ka sa negosyo na to. Triple yung kikitain mo. So, pag ganun, mag-isip ka na agad kung totoo ba yun. Kung baka naman scam lang, diba? Sa relationship, you have the moon. The moon is about your emotions, your instinct, your intuition. So, maaring ngayong first half ng November, you will feel emotional, extra emotional, maybe because you will be, like what I mentioned kanina, may reunion or reuniting with someone na matagal mo nang hindi nakikita, nakakausap. So, that can be an emotional situation for you. Okay? And, yung iba naman, meron ditong revelation sa isang person na close sa'yo. This can be romantic, pwede ring friends, or sa family. Na pwedeng malalaman mo, madidiscover mo na itinatago pala sa'yo. Third house, communication. So, a lot of friends, connecting with new friends. Pwedeng you are also nagpapalawak ka ng iyong network. Pisces energy sensitized. So you're going to tap into your creativity. Ngayong first half ng November at i-explore mo pa yung iyong potentials. Na halimbawa na discover mo sa sarili mo na may talent ka pala sa content creation. Ayan. So, aaralin mo yun. I-discover mo pa yung sarili mo. Ano pa yung pwede mong gawin para paunlarin yun. You are letting go of something that is no longer serving your highest good. Yung iba sa inyo, you may feel worried. May parang, may times na yung anxiety may kick in. Lalo na kung may mga bagay na minamadali ka. Kaya nga mas maganda na planado mo para hindi ka agad-agad mas-stress. But you're also healing. You're going to be more productive ngayong first half ng November. And I think, ano man yung bibigyan mo ng focus, attention ngayon, nandun yung puso mo. Nandun yung pagmamahal mo. Your hard work is paying off. Kung ano man pinaghirapan mo, meron na siyang bunga. You're going to shine, Taurus. There are opportunities around you na kung saan mare-recognize ka. You will be seen. Makikita yung galing mo, yung potentials mo. Just believe in the impossible. Because tell yourself, I'm possible. Diba? Okay? So, Kumbaga, nasa sayo, depende yan sa iyong belief system. Kung malakas ang paniniwala mo, you can manifest your desires. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.